Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to remove the Microsoft Edge application from Windows 10. Step 1. To completely remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 10. Step 2. Download the program from the link below the video and extract it to a folder. Step 3. Right-click on removeedge.bat and run it as administrator. Step 4. When the process on the CMD screen is completed, press any key on the keyboard. Step 5. There is a shortcut to Microsoft Edge on the desktop. When we click on it, it asks us to uninstall Microsoft again. Step 6. Go to the folder again to install Edge. Step 7. Click Install Edge to start the download. Download Microsoft Edge and select your compatible device from the website.